Do you have any idea about your health? If you eat this kind of food in this ritu, what will be the condition of your health? It goes day by day.
Nothing is happening. Some also take.
No, I can't eat this kind of food in this ritu. I will very conscious about my health and I follow the regimens of the ritus. You are just ignoring that. I am leaving now. Bye.
Bye.
Akshata? Akshata? What happened to you? Why are you staying at hostel?
I was not feeling well, so I in the classes.
So previously told you, don't do opposite regimens according to rules. But still, you can't listen to me. Okay, tell you. Just leave it. Okay, from now on, start following the regimen of Shishira and the Hemant Ritu, okay? By applying this taila to your head and the foot, okay? Then start doing warm water.
Kindly follow the regimens of the Shishira and Hemant Ritu. Otherwise, you will also suffer from like health issues.
Namaste, doctor. May I come in? Yeah, come in. Sit.
What is your name?
Myself, Chandrika.
So what makes you to come here?
I am not getting hungry. I am feeling so heaviness now.
Okay. Since how long you are feeling this?
From 1 week, ma'am.
Did you take any medicines?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can I examine? Lie down. Take a deep breath. Can you flex your both the legs? Can you feel pain in coming? Is there any pain?
No, ma'am.
Come. Okay. Actually, in our Ayurveda, ancient acharyas explained about Rutucharya. Yeah, this is the Vasanta Ritu. In this Ritu, feeling heaviness and not feeling hungry is common. So you should adapt to the Vasanta Rutucharya.
Okay, doctor. What should I do to follow the regimens?
Okay, in diet you should take the foods which are easily digestible. Like you take cereals, pulses, old barley, rice, wheat. Like these items you should take, and avoid the foods which are hard to digest.
Okay, doctor. Can I do any changes in my lifestyle?
Yeah, sure. Do your morning exercise and avoid the day sleep, and apply the churnas opposite to the hair follicles, and the hot water bath with the application of lepas. and even you can go out and spend time with the gardens. By this you will feel lightness in our body and peace to the mind.
Can I take any medicines for this?
No need of any medicines. Just follow the Vasanta Ritucharya. Will get rid of all the problems. Okay.
Okay, doctor. I will follow all the instructions. Thank you.
ಅದನ್ನೇ
Oh my god, such a bad condition of my skin. I have used so many products, but still my skin become rough and tan. Such a horrible thing. I'm really fed up with this. What can I do for improving my good skin's texture?
You're not eating the food prepared by me, which is according to the Grishma Ritu, and you're going out and eating the foods like pizza, burger, pani puri. And what will be the condition of your health so that it is reflecting on your skin?
Okay ma'am, you are telling me that I am not following the regimens of the Grishma Ritu, and I will follow your instructions, and I will definitely stop the outside food, and I have continue eating which is prepared by the food. Okay ma'am, you are telling me that I am not following the regimens and your instructions according to Ritus. Today onwards I follow the all the regimens, and I eat food which is prepared by you, and I will definitely stop the outside food.
Kindly follow the regimens of the Grishma Ritu, otherwise you will also suffer from health issues.
Good morning. Take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now answer the attendance. Roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10.
Present, ma'am.
Why you are absent for many days?
I was not feeling well, ma'am, so I was unable to attend the classes.
Okay, sit down. Today we are discussing about Varsha Ritu. Varsha Ritu, it is also called as the rainy season and the monsoon season. It begins in the month of June and ends at the month of September. This Ritu comes under the Visarga Kala, and in this season there will be a decrease in the Agni power. You should not take the Madhura and the Kadurasa, and as much as possible try to avoid smoke with the bed, and wear always a well-clean dress and reside in the place which is free from weather and the cold plants. Chandrika, what are you thinking?
Yes, ma'am. I was just realizing that what I have done the mistakes in the previous days.
Okay, sit down. Now concentrate here. So, avoid all these things and should take the Amla Lavana Rasa food and stay in the warm places. And in this season, there will be an increase in the 3 doshas. So, Basti, Vamana, Virachana should be taken in a systematic manner. Okay, it's time up. Let's continue in the next period. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
As this is Sharad Ritu, where pitta is aggravated due to hotness of the sun, intake of ahara, which is tikta, madhura, kashraya rasa, and lagu guna dravyas, is better in this ritu. The therapies we can do also is tikta gritapana, virechana, rakta mokshana to conquer the pitta. In this ritu, Acharya Vagbhata explains about Hamsodaka, that is taptam taptam shukhenai, sheetam sheetam shirashmati. Samantadapya ahoratya agastyoday nirvisham sujim hamshodakam nam nirmalam maladhityavam nabhishyandi nirvaruksham panadishva mutavam. As this is Sharad Ritu, taking water which is exposed to the sunlight in the daytime and to the cold rays of the moon during night time, which is purified and intoxicated by the Agastya Nakshatra, is beneficial as nectar. Which does not provoke kapha as well as water, called as Hamsodaka.
Like to show the importance of Ritucharya. So please follow the proper Ritucharya and be healthy. Ayurveda Amritana.
Thank you.